How are you folks? I just wanted to share this product that I purchased on eBay. This is the SOS hand tool water claw. I believe that Mighty used to make it, but now it's sold by somebody else. But anyways, I purchased this on eBay, $40, shipped and everything. I wanted to give this tool a try because sometimes I just got very small pet stains that I have to deal with, and I figure I'd give this a try for $40. You can't beat that. The actual size on this thing is 8 by 5. Okay, so it's 8 by 5, very small tool. Okay, and $40. I hope it helps. Thank you.